heading into Duluth. Got up nice and early at the Shabin, and I'm going to run a marathon today.
That's it.
That's it, it's all.
Right now?
No, just a little nervous, a little anxious, but pretty excited.
Grandpa and I will be fishing.
Grandpa and Jason will be fishing, and then the kids are coming in later to watch me cross the finish line, which will be several hours from now. So it's pretty exciting. Here we go. Yeah. Laura! I can do it, right? Oh my god. Okay.
I'll see you again. She's dying. I would be too.
She looks like she's dead.
Way to go, Laura! She's like,
She's like,
She probably can't hear if Spider's music
Laura!
Laura!
how's the wind?
Huh?
How's the wind?
Oh, it was fine.
Again.
This is beyond special. Oh. Oh, he got it! Did he catch it?
Yeah. Right above your head.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
The ones at our house, they'll come down and get it from you.
That's, I think, what they're going for, and it's not working. I love it.
Come on, Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Here, big guy. Come on. Oh, what do you want? I'm only 5'8". Oh. Yeah, I'm getting tired, Grandpa.
Wow.
You know what's fun? If you feed them Alka-Seltzer,
No.
it's the best.
No. Well, this is what happens when you run a marathon and leave these two unattended for 5 hours. 5 hours. And now we're in a parking lot feeding seagulls. So, I got me some hardware.
Yeah!
26.2 miles down. It was painful. And
Oh, sorry, Laura.
if I get pooped on. Anyway.
Wait, we're not done yet. Everybody wants.
Oh!
Wait, Laura, stand still. Stand still.
No. It won't happen.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
They know. Oh.
There you go.
Pretty sure this is all frowned upon. And I'm shivering because it's only 60 degrees today. It's cold.
Empty.
And Grandpa ordered sweet potato fries and fed them all to the birds.
I love birds.
He loves the birds. Oh my gosh.
Aw.
They're cute. Good morning, everybody.
YouTube land.
YouTube land. So it has been, well, it's been a week. We've been here 1 week. So we got here last Thursday. It's now, no, it's Wednesday. I keep thinking it's Thursday today. We are leaving tomorrow. It's our last day. And it's also our first day. Herman. Oh. We just bumped into you guys and fell down the stairs. Hey, come on. Come on. Get in here. Come on. You're okay. Come on. Okay. All over a rainbow fish. Okay, so anyway, it's our also
Take two.
Take two.
I said that.
It's also our first day that it's just the two of us. We had a lot of family here. Our kids were here. Their friends were here. Grandpa was here. We went to a beach. We swam.
Aren't they going to see everything you did?
No, I didn't record a lot of it.
Oh.
I really didn't. The last thing I recorded was Grandma's and feeding seagulls. And then nothing. We just enjoyed family time and enjoyed some relaxing, good memories.
And then bought bear bait.
We did buy bear bait. Went to a beach and swam, did some sightseeing, saw some friends, just hung out and all enjoyed each other.
This is too much talking.
I know. I agree. Okay.
Stop. Start over.
We had a lot of fun. We did a lot of things.
Okay, but now, since it's the day before we leave, Laura has decided to take a look at these cameras, because we're leaving tomorrow morning. We've been here for 10 days and now
It has not been 10
now
days.
she's deciding to look at these cameras and see what we don't have.
Okay. So, usually we have spy point cell cameras pointed at our Shabin, and lately they've been a little unreliable and they don't really handle the cold up here. It's mostly the freeze and thaw part. I don't know, water gets into its battery. I don't know. They haven't been working very good.
This is a product review for two products that are not sponsors.
Neither are sponsors. We're just trying things out because we like to be able to go home and see the Shabin and what's going on here. When there's bears and wolves and deer that walk by, that's pretty cool. People, not so cool. But every now and then we do get a person. So, yeah, so we're going to try Tactacam. We got 2 cameras. They came in a package deal. You got 2. And then we bought 1 solar panel for one of them just to try. If it works great, we'll get another one. But I don't know. Hopefully these will be a little more reliable. I'll keep you posted on that in the future. So, what do you think, Griffiths? hope it works. And he's right, I procrastinated until the last day. I should have hooked them up 3 days ago to see if they work, but we have all afternoon.
You promised we didn't have to leave here today.
We're not leaving. This SD cards work fine.
No, they're not the right SD cards.
We're not leaving. Got some blue plastic spray paint, and I'm gonna spray paint these hideous green tables. And when we bought the property, I actually thought that I was just gonna take them home or get rid of them because I didn't like them because they are green, but they come in handy every time we're here. So I'm gonna paint them blue like our front door.
God, these things are junk.
So special. I'm your biggest fan.
Laura, I am your float. No, that's weird.
That would be weird. You are my husband. I am your
I
husband.
am your biggest fan.
Oh.
Actually, I'm trying to get the mosquitoes away from you.
You're so nice. It's blowing my hair.
And you stink.
Oh. Yes.
It's been 7 days.
No, we have a shower. It has not
You
been.
still stink.
I showered this morning.
I don't know what to say. I love you, but you stink.
Wow. Hurtful. Hanging up our new Tactacam cameras, our security system at the Shabin. They just give us a little bit of a peace of mind when we are not here.
Dozer made it.
Oh, he did. There's Tootsie. Hi, Doze. Old man. So yeah, I think these will be awesome. You know, we bought the unlimited plans, and I think it's $200 a year for 2 cameras. I mean, it's kind of expensive, but I think worth it to keep an eye on the place. And obviously you purchase the cameras also, but after that you pay basically $200 a year around that to keep them activated and sending to your cell phone.
How's that look?
I think that looks pretty good. It's not straight with the
What do you
world.
want me to do?
Bottom goes that way. Back this way just a hair. Yep. Perfect. So we do have a little chain gate that we hang across here, obviously with our no trespassing signs, but so you can't drive back there. We lock it, but anybody can pull up right here and that camera will catch if anybody does that. So knock on wood, literally, I must. We've never had a problem. The only thing we've ever caught
That look
on
good?
cameras, it does look good, is bear and deer. We got a wolf the other day, so that was kind of cool. But yeah, that's never had any issues. So hopefully it stays that way. That ladder there, that's another thing that the Shabin came with. We purchased the property and it came with this ladder. Good work, Griffiths.
Thanks.
Herman! just out here looking for Herman, and Herman's out here. He left our property, crossed the road, and he's in the ditch over here. Come on. You're naughty. You move it.
We're telling everyone about our sneaky.
So our other Tactacam camera will point directly at the Shabin. And we can just make sure that no bears break in or bears walk by, or, you know, we can see cool things and pray that they don't break our door down. So, please like the video.
Oh!
If you liked it, please
Give me a wink.
subscribe. Can't count on you to ever get this right.
Not sure what that is.
Okay. Subscribe. Smash the bell button so that you get notifications on when our videos come out, so you can watch them if you enjoy them.
Mm-hmm.
And comment. Most importantly, we love communicating with you guys. We love answering questions the best we can. We are total DIYers. We are amateurs. We're just
Speak for yourself, honey.
we're just trying to live our dream and live our life as happy as possible. And here it is. We're sharing it with you guys.
That's something really important to say.
Uh-oh.
I lost it when that wasp flew by.
A wasp flew by
Mhm.
in our screen tent?
Do they know it's screened?
They do.
Temporarily.
No. Yeah, it's temporarily screened. Yes.
This isn't the look we were going for.
This is not the look we were going for. It will soon change. So can't wait for that. Stay
Did you
tuned.
tell them a bear walked through here?
A bear walked through here.
Did you tell them that?
I think I told him
Did you
that
tell them that there was a wolf at the front?
we had a wolf, we had a bear, we had deer. I will definitely share the pictures after we're done rambling. Maybe you're done listening to us ramble.
If you've been talking this long, I'm sure they've been done. They probably haven't heard a word I've said. They quit listening.
Okay, it's over. The end. Love you guys. Bye.